Hello, scientific writers. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over a list of common problems that I find in technical writing that confuse readers. Firstly, starting the sentence in the middle of an idea. You don't want to do that because the reader has to hold the beginning part in his or her mind until they get to the end of the sentence and then reconstruct the whole thing. Run-on sentences. These are sentences with too many ideas. They should be broken up into multiple sentences. When you are missing connections or transitions, it's hard for the reader to follow your logic, and they get lost easily. Incomplete comparisons are confusing most of the time because you don't know what the author is comparing that thing to. Inconsistent terminology causes your reader to have to stop and think. When they say this term, do they mean the same thing as when they use this other term? I think they're the same, but I'm not sure. Excessive compression is when your writing is too dense. You need to slow down, be a little more patient, and make it a little bit longer. I don't usually recommend this, but sometimes it's necessary. Do you have noun clusters? More than 4 nouns in a row. Find those and reword it to eliminate those noun clusters. Are you being vague? Do you need to add specificity to the sentences that you're writing? Make sure that you have specific details and you're talking about something concrete. Are you equivocating? It could be this way, but on the other hand, it could be this way. That is confusing. Be certain and say something directly. Don't use too many abbreviations. Too many abbreviations are definitely a burden on the reader. Don't use imprecise expressions. Use something that's very precise, that goes along with being specific. And finally, make sure that your sentences and paragraphs are in a logical order, that they flow and they are cohesive with each other. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy writing.